The single most important word to understand the Israeli psyche is fayil. I'm Elon Gilad. I write about Hebrew and Jewish history. Let's take a look at the central concept of Israeliness, starting with its etymology. The word comes from the criminal jargon of Russia in the early 20th century, where it was used to mean non-criminal, and by extension, someone who may easily be exploited, a mark. The word comes from the Yiddish word fayil, meaning a customer of a prostitute, a John, which itself probably comes from a German word meaning suitor. Now, this word arrived in Israel with Russian immigrants in the 1950s, where it took on a life of its own in Hebrew. The closest word in English to fayil is sucker, but it's so much more. It's a cultural touchstone that reveals the heart of Israeli society. You see, in Israel, being a fayil doesn't just mean you're easily fooled. It's more about missing the chance to cut corners, dodge rules, or get ahead by any means necessary. In a society where bending the rules is often seen as savvy, being a fayil means you're the one who plays it straight. And that's not a compliment. In fact, being called a fayil is one of the worst insults out there. Sociologists have noted that the concept of fayil is closely linked to the Israeli national identity. To be Israeli in many ways is to be aware of the constant risk of being a fayil and to navigate life with the sharpness and savvy needed to avoid that fate. This mentality is seen as a defining feature of what it means to be Israeli, shaping everything from personal interactions to national policies. Now,